Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Canva Pro to create sellable digital products, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Canva Pro for creating sellable digital products, first, open your web browser and go to Canva's official website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. You can register using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you've signed up and logged in, navigate to the Upgrade option on the left sidebar of the homepage. Click on Upgrade to Pro to explore the benefits of a Pro subscription. You will see the pricing plans available for Canva Pro. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, either the monthly or annual subscription. After selecting your plan, click on the Continue button. You will now be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required details and confirm your payment. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a notification confirming your Canva Pro activation. Now, you can access all the Pro features, such as premium templates and design elements. Begin creating your digital products by selecting from the various templates available. Utilize the advanced editing features to customize your designs. You can design anything from ebooks to social media graphics and printables. When your design is complete, click on the Download button located in the top right corner. Choose the preferred file format, such as PDF or PNG, that suits your product needs. After downloading, your digital product is ready for sale on your chosen platform. This process will help you leverage Canva Pro to create and sell high-quality digital products efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.